This is the intro to Glim's on 1026 Nail Show. No, I'm just joking. If you guys don't follow Long Hair Pretty Nails, go follow her. She is dope. And I just like binge watch all her videos because she's so amazing. That was nothing but genuine admiration. I'm not trying to jack her style or anything. So let's get into this nail video. We are doing a fill-in today. Right now I have my cuticle safe bit and I'm just taking off the top coat and like kind of going around my cuticles so that we can get it all nice and cleaned up for this fill-in. It's kind of hard for me to do it with my left hand, but you know, I gotta do it because I want my nails to look good. So what I'm doing with the cuticle bit is just going around the cuticles and lifting up any loose pieces of acrylic so that we can get them nice and prepped for this fill-in. And I don't want my nails to pop off, so we're gonna just make sure we get all up in the crevices. The glitter nails are a little bit harder because I need to get the glitter out, well, most of it, because I don't want them making the new acrylic that I'm going to put on it lumpy. Now I'm going to use the nail prep dehydrator and I'm going to go around the cuticle area to dehydrate the nails. And then use the ASP acidless primer. I'm going to do that twice, the primer. Now I'm going to take my No Lift Nails acrylic liquid and the Valentino Crystal Clear acrylic powder to begin to fill in these nails. Now you guys are going to see me fill in with my left hand on my right hand. This is not my dominant hand. I thought this would be good for everyone to see because I usually show my work being done on my left hand by my right hand. The thing with using clear acrylic to fill in on soft white nails already is that the clear acrylic is clear and the soft white is soft white, so when you put the clear acrylic down it doesn't look like you filled in anything, but it's filled in. Again, I'm putting down the acrylic right above the cuticle and then using the point of the brush to push it towards the cuticle and then flattening out with the body of the brush. Sometimes I still pick up a little bit too much, so I have to clean off the edges so that we don't have cuticle flooding. After I finish, I'm just going to clean out the brush bristles, make sure I get all the acrylic out because if I don't, the acrylic will dry in it and it'll mess up the brush. We don't want that, so I just go over it with some monomer and a paper towel and then do that. Now I'm filing with my 100/180 nail file and I'm holding the nail file straight up and down on the sidewall of the nail so that I can get a nice crisp coffin shape. What I've realized, and you can't see because this is kind of sped up, but I realized that I file one side too much and don't file the other side the exact same amount. So sometimes the nail can be crooked. So what I do is I count back and forth 10 times on each side and then look at it and adjust and see if I need to do any more. I always make sure I file them the same amount of times on both sides so that they can be as even as possible. I switched files, but it's still 100/180 grit just because I'm filing with my left hand and it's difficult for me to grip the file because it was curved, so I just used a straight file. Now I'm going to take that cuticle safe bit and just go around the cuticles to make them nice and presentable. Then go over the entire nail to take out any grooves or ridges that might have happened because of the hand file. This is my favorite drill bit. I rarely change from this unless I have to do like fine detailing work or something. Look at all that dust, guys. And now just a quick buff with the buffing block, and then we're going to be ready to start painting. I'm going in first with the Model 1's base coat on all the nails. Curing that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to pick up the Candy Lover number 318. I'm here just testing out to see which pink I want, but I ended up choosing number 318, and I'm going to do that on my pinky finger, my pointer finger, and my thumb. I'm going to do 2 coats of that and then cure 60 seconds in between each of them. Just making sure that the edges and the sides are all polished, and then just curing that for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking the C&D Luxe Shellac in the shade Satin Slippers, and I'm going to put 2 coats of that on the middle finger and the ring finger. I put some acetone in my dabbing dish, and I'm just going to clean up half of the nail because I'm going to do it half this light pink and half of the darker pink. We're going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to add a gold piece of nail tape. So I zoomed in because we're about to start the design. I'm going to take this dotting tool with the Elite gel paint in gold, and I'm just going to make little circles and just kind of make them as, you know, uneven as possible because we're going to do a cheetah print. Once we have those dots how we want them, I'm going to cure them in the nail lamp for 30 seconds and then come back with the same dotting tool and the black gel paint by Elite 99 to just go over the edges to make the cheetah design or leopard print design, whatever, what have you. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the middle finger, except I'm going to do more pink dots than gold dots. And if you look, you can see that on both sides of the nail tape on my ring finger, we have a cheetah design, but I decided that I just wanted it to be plain. So at the end of the video, you'll see that the lighter pink side has the cheetah print and then the darker pink side is plain because I liked it better that way. This design is really easy and it's really simple. It looks like it's a lot of hard work, but it really is just, there's no way you can mess it up. Now we're going to go over the ring fingernail with some bling gel. So this is gel that you use to adhere stones, but since the nail tape, it kind of doesn't stick very well if you just use top coat, well I find. So I'm going to go over it with some bling gel to kind of hold it in place and then directly go over top of that with the top coat. Now with the bling gel, it is curable in the nail lamp, and even if you go on with a top coat over that, you're still going to need alcohol to take off the sticky layer, so just keep that in mind. Sorry that it's out of focus. I was really it was late and I was just not paying attention. The bling gel came with the brush that you see me here using, and it's double-ended, so there's an acrylic nail detailing brush on one side and a gel brush on the other side. It also came with actual bling to put on. So now I'm just going over everything with the Model 1's top coat, and I'm going to cure that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. You guys might notice that I switched hands, so I'm showing you the design on my left hand, and I showed you me filling in my right hand because I figured it would probably be easier to just show you the design on my right hand. I mean on my left hand. And now I'm going to take some 91% alcohol and use that to rub the sticky layer off of the nails. Most of my hand doesn't have that sticky substance, but the ring finger definitely does because I use that bling gel to keep down that nail tape. And then the actual pads of my fingers felt sticky because I was just doing a lot that night while I was doing this. So I'm just cleaning everything up. Now I'm going to use my Simply Happy oil as cuticle oil. I'm rubbing it in. This is like my favorite part of the manicure, because then you can really see how it looks. Or how good it looks, rather. And there you have it. At home fill-in cheetah print, half and half. I be doing a lot with these nail designs, don't I? I don't even know when this started happening, but it's just fun to me. It's so fun. I think these came out really, really cute. I really like them. So if you guys like them, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel so you can see more nail videos like this. And also follow and subscribe Long Hair Pretty Nails because she's dope. I'm going to leave her link in the description bar. Bye, guys.